Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back in my regular planning space, except for that it's overcast today, so the lighting is still a little wonky, but it's okay, because we're gonna have some fun today, because we're planning for the week of October 11th through the 17th. Now, before I tell you how I'm gonna plan for this week, I wanted to show you the After the Pen for my no white space spread. I think this came out pretty awesome. I was pleasantly surprised. And there's probably going to be some things I take away from this that I'm like, oh, let's see if we can do that for next time. So super excited. Thought it came out really nice. Let's go ahead and take this week off the discs. Oh, and stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm going to announce who won the loop giveaway on this video. So, what? I can't wait to share some fun things. Now, I have gotten out, it's kind of like last week, I have pulled out a smorgasbord of stickers. We've got soft kit stickers from Coffee Planner Mom, like what I got left. Cozy Fall, which there's not much left of that one, but I have this guy. What else do I got? I know there was some more. I've got some, the boxes like that. Woodland Hues. There's the 25% off freebie sheet. That's the Woodland Hues freebie sheet. Oh, here's more of the Cozy Fall. Like, again, it's just an all-over mess of stickers, which is fun. But I also want to use, so we'll see. We're going to see how many of those I pull in. But I have had this sticker pack, I want to say going on 20 years, for my old scrapbooking days. And I thought maybe this would make a fun and different spread. So this is an old Hobby Lobby sticker sheet of Charlie Brown. And, fall time, I always think about Charlie Brown Halloween special. I don't have the Halloween stickers. They're pretty cute, but I thought this would be a fun way to use these stickers. I've been trying, they've been sitting out on my planning desk for a while, and I think it would just be fun to do some Charlie Brown stuff. So there's lots of colors here, which means I feel like we can really use whatever boxes or extras we want to use, which is awesome. So next is, do I want to do them all on the bottom so that I have the white space at the top? That's what I think I want to do. I think that's what I want to do. All right, we'll start with Charlie Brown himself. Let's just see how this goes. I think that's good for the bottom. I think we're going to leave it like that. I do have a few characters left. I got Marcy and Peppermint Patty and Pigpen. If I figure out a good place to involve them, I'll involve them as well. But that's really fun. I like that. Okay, so next let's do a meal planning sticker. And I think we'll do, got two different options here. Well, I have way more than two, but let's do, oh, you know what? So many choices. Let's do the fall leaf one. I'm gonna do that up here. friends, I have been rocking out the meal planning and prepping. It has been such a game changer. Now, I had a little setback last week. I won't lie about that because of having food poisoning the week before and like trying to like recalibrate my system and all that. But we're getting back on track and I'm super excited about that. All right, next thing we need is I have a meeting on Tuesday. So I gotta set that up. I have one page that just has like a box on it, so we should hit that first. Maybe. Questionable. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's hiding. It was hiding. And this week is the first of 2 parent-teacher conferences. Oh, that didn't go down straight at all. Good job, Holly. Let's try that again. I'm sorry I'm a little quiet today. I'm a little under the weather. Just a lot of stress, real tired. I think my body's just run down. But we're getting there. I'm working on some things to help me with managing and coping with stress, because stress isn't going away anytime soon. It's always going to be there. Thursday's parent-teacher conferences. Let's do one of these burgundy ones. And we'll do another important sticker. Oh, wait, do I have a meeting sticker? Don't forget work. This is from Crafty Nelly. Let's do a don't forget, which I don't know how I would forget. I have to stay late after school, but don't forget parent-teacher conferences. And then I put my sticky notes in a good spot that I was using. Oh, there they are. Fabulous. I think I also have a chiropractic appointment that day. It's sometime this week, so we're just going to put it down. We're going to put it down on Tuesday. It's either Tuesday or Thursday. I'll have to reschedule it if it's Thursday. Let's use Fabulous. And then, so we've got that, we've got that, we've got that. Oh, choir starts for me this year. So I'm a music teacher, and last year we did not do choir. This year we are doing choir. So choir starts as after school on Mondays and Wednesdays. So put these as a little reminder here. I think the bullet points will work perfectly for that. And here, I need a chore sticker. Let's use the green one, since we put green over there. Chores I like to put down here. Do I have a chores sticker, or did I use that already? I think I have it in my little book. I do have a bunch of Zooms too. I've got all these checklists. I gotta start using them. Sometimes I forget what all I have. I'm almost done with the chore stickers though. That's pretty cool. Put it here. Then throw Tell Tuesday. Tuesday's getting busy, friends. Oh, let's use that one up first. Just double checking anything else. Do you want to use this guy? Did my best. That'll come soon. And these are some freebies and extras and stuff like that. These are my freebies for when I was on the PR team. I've kept them. I don't want to use them because they're nice little, like, they're happy reminders. I need to put them in, like, a memory keeping thing. Okay, so there's that. So chores, let's use this one. Since we have that color over here, we can bring it in. We will be in zone 3. Let's use the navy blue this week. Why not? Zone 3 is the kitchen and the dining room. For those of you who know that I follow kind of a, I almost said coffee planner mom system. Yeah, that's on my brain. The Fly Lady system. So that would be coffee pot, counters, tables. I just kind of write the general list here. Cabinets, baker's rack, just the normal kitchen stuff. I'm gonna do dog beds too, because the kennels are actually in the dining room. It's kind of, my house is kind of open concept-ish. It's not really completely open concept, but it's kind of open concept. So, and then I want to use a film edit upload for the weekend, and let's use trying to think about, oh, we should bring in the leaves again. It doesn't mean I'll do my film edit uploading on Saturday or on Sunday, but I just like to put it down there somewhere. Oh, on Saturday night, we have, maybe we bring in the gray. This is going to sound funny. We have creative dinner. And creative dinner does not mean a dinner that is a creatively made dinner. My husband and I talk plans for the next week, some of our creative ideas for our different content creation stuff. But we just kind of, we found that when we like put it down in our planners, that it becomes something that it becomes a habit. And you know, I'm all about habits. All right, so PT conference. And then here is, I didn't realize that bubbled up. Oh well. Cairo and SIP meeting start is school improvement. And because I go to 2 buildings, I'm on one of the teams. So since I'm at the wrong building on Tuesday, for lack of better term, I zoom into that meeting. And we have choir, fabulous, wonderful. Let's put Tell Tuesday down. Let's do it like that. Woody wood. Oh, Mail Monday. Mail Monday is for my Pink Zebra business, and it's to remind me that things that I need to send out to people, I need to have done, but like Monday is my day to either work on it or get it sent out. Ooh, we got to do Set It Up Sunday too. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just do another checklist there. That way any other to-dos can get to done. As I like to say, to-dos to done. My desk is a hot mess right now, but that is okay. Mail Monday needs to happen. And then Sunday needs to be Set It Up Sunday. That's where, for my Pink Zebra business, I make sure like any posts like that I want to preset get done. Let's just use a bullet point there. It's one of the Woodland Hues ones. And then we also have Follow Up Friday. Let's use this navy, like this really deep navy one. This is where I follow up with people, or I try to pick like one person or two people to either text message or email or somehow get in contact with them to make sure, hey, is there anything you need? Or the sale's going on, I thought of you, all of those fun items. Let's put a coffee quote. Oh wait, no. Let's do this quote. I like this one because it's simple, like the Charlie Brown characters. All we have is now. And that goes with my habit of the month in my teacher planner, which is be here now. So that is it for the spread for this week. Now it is time to draw for the loop giveaway. Now, I am very excited that I had two people make it all the way through the loop. So what I'm going to do, because I had some people who got real close to making it through the loop. And I'm just a giver. I can't help that part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the names of the two people who made it all the way through in twice. And the people who made it like, they just like missed one thing, I'm going to put their name in once. So I'm going to bring up Wheel of Names. I'm a big fan of Wheel of Names. If you've never used it, you totally should. It's free. Wheel of Names. Let me set it up. I think you guys can see that. Okay, so Missy and Christy made it all the way through the loop. And then the others made it almost all the way through. So let's see what happens. So, Christy, I will be messaging you on Instagram, and I will be getting you, set up with all of your fun things. So that would be the stickers and the nails, the Color Street nails, and the hand sanitizer, and the sprinkles, and I'm super duper excited for you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.